kayo kasi pinapaayos yung kabilang bahay namin. So, may mga naggagawa ng wall. So, my name is Michelle and welcome back into my YouTube channel. So, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy watching my video. May meeting ako and may kuhaan din ng card namin for today. So, mag-aayos tayo para naman mukha tayong fresh pagkita ng lineup 7 sa grade natin. Anyway, so the first thing is a moisturizer. Actually, nawala ko yung pang umaga pero okay na yun as long may moisturizer tayo. We will be doing our base and the foundation I will be using is Radiant Glow Filter from BLK Cosmetic in a shade of Sun. Nakalimutan ko pala mag color correction. Anyway, ayan na natin. Nalagyan na natin eh. So, minimal lang yung coverage niya, pero magkakaroon ka na parang glowy effect sa mukha, which I like the most kasi hindi naman siya super mukhang sweaty look. Parang glowing lang talaga siya. Ayan, nakikita niya naman. Naman is color correction from Sachi Lady. It has a high coverage and meron siyang 4 colors sa loob.
Yung ivory is for brightening clear or something fold. Natural cover spot, green cover redness, and orange for dark under eye.
Ito yung eye bag ko guys. Ang gagamitin ko most likely is orange. Ayan. Ito. Color theory kumbaga. Ayan. Ay, ang dami ko nalagay. Ganyan. Para kung nakakatakot. Pang Halloween na yata ito. Ayan. Fix ko lang siya. Kasi di ko naman pa rin naman ka-shade kahit anong gawin ko. Basta, as long mag-brighten yung look ng under eye ko. Parang mga 2000 style makeup. Kapag nakikita nyo siya guys, may parang glowy effect yung under eye nila. Ayan. As you can see, diba? You can see the differences. Ito, nasobrahan ko yung lagay. Tapos ito, less lang. Pero na high coverage talaga siya. And I like to use those things sa taas ng mata ko para naman umantay. So, let's do that guys. Pero papantayin ko muna to, syempre. Naman. Then, yung sobra ka nalagyan ng nita. Actually, itong makeup look na to is that, makeup look. Actually, ito, nalaman ko to sa friend ko and di ko talaga to alam na meron palang ganito. And nalaman ko lang sa kanya to. So, shout out sa'yo, girl. Next thing naman is gagamit na tayo ng cushion powder. So, I use Tassel Me in a shade of 903. Ang ganda na to, parang high na medyo like yung coverage. Depende kung ilang beses mo ipapop. Gets nyo ba? Lagi ko ito ginagamit sa school. So, paubos na talaga siya guys. I'm actually planning to use JMCY cushion powder, pero I'm not sure if it's good. So guys, comment down below if you think it's good pa or not. Yan, as you can see, wala na yung mga anik-anik sa mukha natin. Except dito guys, pimples siya, tas pumutok siya. So, ayan yung mangyayari. If pinuputok niyo yung pimples niyo, magkakamark kayo. Yan. I'm not the one who going to get my card kasi bawal yun. Ang kailangan kumuha nun is our parents or guardians. So, ayun. Kinakabahan ako syempre because, ewan ko guys, zero base kami. So, syempre, yung kaba, kutob is everything na. So, the next thing naman is we will going to do is setting spray. Ito, the setting spray I will using is CC setting spray. I'll be honest, somehow to others it might work, but for me, hindi siya gumana. Binili ko to during prom and long time na hindi talaga siya nag-i-stick yung makeup ko sa mukha or nag-i-stay. So, syempre gagamitin natin to kasi what if gumana ngayon, 'di ba? What if? Masakit 'yun. What if? Anyway. So, ito yung pink cup nila. Mabango siya. Yes, super bango niya. So, next naman is magpa-powder na tayo and the powder I'll be using is from Lux Organic UV Matte Powder. Ito yung pink. Meron siyang isa pang ganito, kulay blue I think, and I don't know what the differences between those two. Pinili ko lang yung pink kasi syempre favorite color ko. Ayan, diba? Dito natin ilalagay sa T-zone ko, guys. Kasi super oily talaga ng T-zone ng mukha ko. Pero, ibubo ko na. So, ito yung two, powder na I recommend to you guys. Maganda siya for blurring effect. And I'm not sure if long-lasting siya kasi di ko napapansin. But, blurring effect, 10 over 10. Pero, all control, next is sa pilik mata natin. And, yung eyelash curler ko is from Curline. And, yung eyelash extension, I forgot what it's called, pero yung ganto is from JMCY. And, I will say to you guys, 10 over 10 to, kasi long lasting, and parang, talagang, tatas talaga yung pilik mata nyo. So, the first thing na gagawin nyo is, iaano nyo muna siya ng ganyan. Kasi, pag nilagay nyo agad to, may possibilities na masira yung eyelash nyo. So, ayan, talagang ganunin nyo muna to. Kasi tumas talaga siya. Then, the next na I will be using, so, two side. Ito, para instant extension. Malaki yung ano niya, ganyan. As you can see, malaki. Then, yung isa naman, maliit, for long lasting. So, I'll be using the long lasting one, kasi, bet ko yung pag, niya, parang Korean yung vibe. Manga eyelash, I think. No, hindi siya super manga, pero, like, ayan. Tapos, lahat talaga aangat. Tapos, hindi dikit-dikit. Yan, perfect. Then, curler ko ulit. Angat na angat na talaga siya. So, hindi ako mahilig mag-eyebrow, guys. So, I will leave it blank. This foundation, I will be using BLK foundation, all cream, in a shade of Daffodil. I don't know how to pronounce that, pero ayun. Yan. Actually, I've been using BLK na for a long time. I think nakabili na ako ng dalawang, nalaman ko itong blush on na to from my other friend. Binigyan niya ako ng BLK, ang shala niya, guys. Kasi hindi daw niya shade. Yan. So, if mag-a-apply kayo ng blush on, mag-base kayo kung anong shape ng mukha nyo or anong fit sa mukha nyo. Since, magiging, talaga siya, huge impact if you know where to place your blush on. Yan. Impact. Anyway. So, ang gagawin ko kasi pataas, tas medyo may pa-droopy-droopy dito para cute tignan. Yan, perfect. Then, I will be doing is our lippy na. So, the lippy I will be using is from Full Color. I don't know if I pronounce it rightly, pero it in a shade of 1-3. Kala niya nude lippy. Pero pag suot niya, mukhang orange. Pero for me, it's fit well. So, if you are type of olive, morena, or neutral color girly, I think you should use this. Pero, I'm not sure, guys. If morena ka super, I think I don't recommend orange kind of makeup. Kasi dati, super morena ako. And hindi talaga fit sa akin yung makeup. Pero I think it depends sa feature ng mukha mo. Or, I don't know. Depende pa rin siya. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Latinang Latina. Last but not least, I will be using setting spray again para mag-lock in talaga yung makeup ko kahit hindi naman ako sure if effective to sa akin. Try natin. So, ito na yung final look ng makeup, guys. And if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support me and my YouTube channel. So, if you guys have any suggestion kung anong vlog yung sunod na gawin ko, just comment down below. So, bye-bye!